You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words correctly, or the bottom word here is a contraction, an expression. There are homophones pronounced exactly the same way. So the top word is a noun, an isle, which is like an island, all right? Like the British Isles. Isle is how to pronounce it. The bottom word or expression is a contraction, the contraction of the words I will, as in I will go for a walk tomorrow. You can say I'll go for a walk tomorrow. Therefore, those two are homophones pronounced exactly the same way. Isle, silent S to isle. It's not Isley or Isla. Isle. Isle is the pronunciation here. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.